From global excursions to family vacations, photos may be used to communicate a variety of stories. A photograph will convey an emotion, portray a mood, share an idea, and tell a story by freezing and capturing a moment in time. All of them are essential components of a story. Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Before we proceed with this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kindly click on the notification bell to get updates on our exciting content. In today's video, we will reveal how one NASA image tells dozens of stories. A print is worth more than 1,000 words, as the cliché goes, but there is actual value in utilizing graphics to promote scientific material. Images assist us in learning, grabbing our attention, and explaining difficult concepts, and inspiring us. Visual information is processed more quickly. Some concepts are better presented visually rather than verbally. Long sections of text are effectively interrupted by images. Posts with photographs are more likely to be shared. We are very visual beings. Pictorial processing takes up a consequential portion of the human brain. Our capacity to pay attention and our cognition have a role in our love of visuals. Photographs have the power to effortlessly grab our attention and lure us in. This is why NASA prefers to communicate information in the form of photographs and videos. How much can a single photo reveal about us? NASA created a high-resolution photograph of the world at night using the Suomi NPP weather satellite in 2016. This picture in the video is a combined image made up of multiple satellite images. It can assist us in better comprehending current events and conflicts. The level of light pollution is highest in densely inhabited places, as well as in prosperous communities. The Benelux region of Europe and the highly populated Po Valley are so brilliant that separate towns merge into one large sea of light. The Indian Subcontinent, in particular, stands out in Asia. Almost 20% of the world's population resides here, and the area's rapid population and economic expansion may be seen by comparing how it looked in 2012 to how it looked in 2016. The satellites were even able to collect lights from wildfires that occurred over a 22-day period in the relatively desolate parts of Western Australia. The extraction of oil, particularly in the Arab East, produces dazzling lights from gas flaring. In Africa, you can follow the Nile River's route, which attracts civilization and is brimming with commercial boats as Egypt's lifeline. However, looking at the areas where there is no light is also fascinating. The Syrian civil war, which has claimed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people, has cast a pall over the country. The electrical grid is only partially operational due to ongoing conflicts, and the power supply is inadequate. Aleppo, Syria's largest city, is regarded as a significant cultural center. Since 1986, the Old Town has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site. However, the fighting has nearly destroyed the historic city. The darkening can also be seen in Raqqa, which has long served as the militant Islamic State's de facto capital. When a city darkens in these photographs, it represents the obliteration of a place and its history, as well as the death of many human lives. In such an image, the black pixels can convey a lot more than the bright ones. This holds true for the Korean peninsula as well. North Korea is almost completely dark, but South Korea is well lit. Seoul, the capital of South Korea today, has a population of more than 25 million people. This city has a population density twice that of New York City, and 8 times that of Rome. The numerous fishing boats along the shore also brighten the waters surrounding Korea. The United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea establishes clear guidelines for how far a country may explore its resources off its coast. There are also a number of international agreements that govern fishing. This results in strange shapes and perfectly straight lines, highlighting the absurdity of partitioning our globe into legal zones based on arbitrary boundaries. All of these lights from South Korea and the waters that surround it contrast sharply with the north, where only Pyongyang, the North Korean capital, stands out. The energy infrastructure in North Korea is outdated, and power outages are common. While most of what happens in North Korea is easily accessible, much of what happens in the south is not. The DMZ, the heavily fortified boundary that separates the two countries, is also easily detectable. This graphic may be the most powerful depiction of the magnitude of the impact of more than 70 years of division. However, the map also demonstrates the long-term consequences of such divisions, even those who have already triumphed. Germany was divided into West and East during the Cold War, and the city of Berlin was divided as well. As a result, the city lights are still visible in two separate colors. Because it wished to be independent of a potentially failing power source, the western section of the city was shut off from the west of Germany and relied on gas lighting. Despite the fact that Germany has been unified since 1990 and this division has been overcome for more than a quarter century, it may still be seen from space. This picture emphasizes the global issues created by the world's rapidly growing population. While man-made boundaries are invisible during the day, political origin lines become visible at night, making them all the more ludicrous and unnatural. The human impact on our planet is less visible when observed during daytime hours. However, this single image exemplifies historical and present societal divisions and political struggles. That's it, guys, on what's in one NASA image. Are there other aspects of this picture that were not explained explicitly in this video? Let us know your observations and thoughts in the comments section below. If this video was insightful for you, then go on and like this video. Please, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more of our updates.